Hello, emotionally intelligent ones. Do you believe in magic? Not the type of magic with wands or spells, but the type that makes hearts smile and make people feel connected and respected. Today, I'll show you the three magic words that make people happy, feel connected, and respected. Are you ready to find out what they are? Let's dive into this video together. The three magic words are please, thank you, and sorry. Please, thank you, and sorry. Let's zoom into our three magic words together. Please. When you say please, people feel respected and happy to help. Like when you tell your friend, please, can you help me pass the pencil? You see, your friend will feel happy and ready to help you. Thank you. When you say thank you, people feel appreciated. When your mom has helped you with your homework, for example, you say thank you, mommy, for helping me with my homework, and she will feel appreciated. Sorry. When you make a honest mistake, saying sorry can help to fix things. Like when you mistakenly step on your friend's feet and you say, I am so sorry, my friend, for stepping on your feet. You see, saying sorry can help you to fix things with your friends, especially when a honest mistake has happened. Let's see more examples of how our magic words help us in real life. Imagine on the playground, you go to your friends and say, please, can I play with you? And your friends say, sure, you can play with us. The word please has opened the door to friendship. When you go to your grandpa and grandma's house, imagine grandpa is having a snack and grandpa gives you out of it. You smile and tell grandpa, thank you, grandpa, for sharing. Grandpa then feels appreciated. The real magic is not only the words, it is how they make other people feel. When you say please, thank you, and sorry, people will feel loved, respected, and appreciated. Using the three magic words is a good way to be emotionally intelligent. Remember, dear emotionally intelligent ones, to always say please when you ask for something. Say thank you when you receive and say sorry when you have made a mistake. Did you enjoy this video? Remember to share it with your cousins, your friends, and your classmates. Like this video, drop a comment, and subscribe to stay connected for more. See you in the next one.
Thank you for watching.